Hey, it's Natalie, and I have been trying to break into my cherry on top order to share with you. I always brag on their packaging, and it's always wrapped up really nicely, so your paper products aren't going to get ruined, but it's a little bit hard to get into sometimes, which is a good problem to have, right? So I have my little thank you note from whoever packed my order. This is from Sierra, which is sweet. So let's check in. I actually kind of got some basic things this time that I've been finding myself needing. So I don't know how exciting it's going to be, but I did get a couple of exciting things I'm looking forward to using. One thing, again, I needed some basics, right? So I was out of clear gesso, so I got me some clear gesso. I like to use clear gesso because, I just like that kind, but also because I can use it on top of whatever color paper. It doesn't always have to be white paper. And I find myself, especially a lot lately, trying to do mixed media on something that already has a little bit of a pattern. So, let's see here. We got a lot of paper because, like I said, I got a bunch of basics. So let's look at that first because it's not very exciting paper. But I was thinking ahead to like my fall crafting. Y'all, I'm ready for fall. It's so hot and I'm ready for that to just be done. I don't really know what's going on with our lights right now. All right, that helps a little bit. So I kind of stocked up on some warmer tone paper, some like off-white paper. That's something that I reach for a lot when I'm crafting fall things, but also when I'm doing this travel album that I'm doing where we went to Death Valley. It's kind of like the vibe of the Wonderlust Explorers collection, which is what I'm using a lot of from 49 and Market. So I just wanted to get some off-whites. So I did that. I went through the Basil collections and kind of just picked a few different ones. And just got some sheets. Well, I thought I got different ones. Maybe I got all the same. So those are textured, which I love to do mixed media on textured cardstock. But this one's smooth. A much more beige color. I don't like the word beige. It's not a nice word. Let's see. What is this one called? Toasted nut. Much better. But it's smooth. And sometimes smooth cardstock is good for certain things as well. If you want a really pristine image, say for a stamp, not normally my go-to, but anyway, it'll be fun. It's just a good look sometimes. And then this one was fun. It's got like little speckles in it, so I grabbed a couple of those. So it's off-white with some speckles, and that one's called White Sands. And then, let's see. This one is the Terracotta collection for 49 and Market, but I mostly got it for like this side. Isn't that very like fall vibes? Super basic, and like so you can do mixed media on it, but it's not plain. I don't want to say boring. It's not plain though. It still give you a little something. This one, I picked this one up because I'm planning ahead for Sarah's school hop, back to school hop, and you're like, black, what? No, but it just kind of goes with the vibe of the clothes that my kids were wearing on their first day back to school. So, and I just really liked it as well. So I got that, not that one. That doesn't go. Although a couple years ago they did wear that color yellow a couple years ago. But yeah, I liked the black, but like it's also, it's not even textured. It's smooth, but it looks textured, So I like that it's kind of a little bit of interest. Reads as a solid, can be treated as solid. So thick. This is from the Rest and Rebs 2.0 collection by Dennis. Dennis. His name's not on there. You know who I mean. This one is also from Rest and Rebs. I think I got it for this side. I don't know. I like that side too, though. But just another like basic background page. Let's see. This is Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze. I'm probably going to use this. So very subtle, but it's just little smudges of things around, because I think I got it for that side, probably not so much this side, but I don't know. I might use that side. It's like a grayish plaid. This is from Dennis Bruton. That's his name. 49 Market, Dennis Bruton Botanical Buzz. So this is the new one that just came out. So this we have a lovely wood grain, like a trunk of a tree. And then on this side, it kind of looks like a burlap. Again, perfect for fall. So I grabbed a couple of those. I was really going for background pages. Because I have a lot of things to have on top, but I'm finding myself having trouble finding the background pages. This one isn't super subtle or fallish really, but it was gorgeous. I love green, and so I had to pick this one up when I was looking through that collection. Same, it's the Botanical Buzz by Dennis Bruton for 49 Market. But I just love this gradient. It's so pretty. And then it does have a very, that could be fall for sure, a burlappy but turquoise on the other side. And then this is from the Toddler Time Collection by 49 Market. But again, just the subtle background page is what I was going for. I like both sides of this. So that's kind of like a silk, a worn silk, and then another burlap one. And it looks like I got 3 of those. So sorry, not super exciting, but the things I'm going to put on top will be, or use them as cut files or something. I like having options of good solids like that. So to go along with those items, what else did I get? Okay, well, let's go stick with the theme of autumn for right now. And we're going to go with, I got this. It's Autumn is the name of the collection by Cardabella, and it's designer dies. Oh, look, you can just like see them all there. So it's pretty small. It's actually smaller than I expected, but it's just lots of cute little florals. Let's see, those are real little. Oh, I guess they're part of that one. These little bits that will go on the stems or on these. No, not on those. I do love those. Those little wheat stalks. I really think that this could be super versatile. It doesn't have to just be for fall. Harvest Delight Flowers Set is what it's called. But I mean, no matter the colors, like you can make it go for like kind of whatever. I think it's super cute. And then we got the Simple Stories. I love bits and pieces from Simple Stories. So this is the Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze Sentiment Bits. We took some fall photos last year as a family, and I haven't really scrapped. I've done like a couple. So I think that that's kind of my mindset. I'll probably want to do some of those. And they don't really have like a story to go along with them. So I'll just be a general, like, look at us in the fall kind of thing. So I like the sentiments for that. So we'll go through those really quick. Usually I like the bits and pieces because they're small, but these are actually not that small. So, but they're the sentiments. That's really cute. I like these, even if you're not going to do journaling, to like just do clusters on. But yeah, I figured these would be good to put together like a bunch of, you know, sentimental pages of the fam. Super cute. Of course, I'll probably mix and match it with some other autumn things. I love scrapbooking autumnal photos. So it's an autumn theme, of course, but also Thanksgiving, thankful, grateful, all kinds of options, right? So those are so cute. And then I did want to grab this. I think I could probably work it in for, I know those papers were black, and I was kind of matching my kids' clothes for back to school. But this is the book fair collection, but it has these cute little pencils thrown in. Just a little swift, slight nod to some school. Not all of them do. They're just gorgeous too. And I feel like I can definitely use them for a fall page as well. So this is the, what did I say? Book fair? Yeah, book fair floral bits and pieces. And they were just too pretty to leave. Like I was like, you know what? I want some of this. But a lot of them have like just a little pencil thrown in or a pen, which I think is super cute. But I'm really excited about this. Well, I'll leave what I'm excited about to the end. My nephew is turning 2, and I've never known a child more obsessed with wheels than this kid. And so his birthday is Too Fast, Too Furious is the theme. And I figure with his birthday party and just other photos of him in general, because he's got always going to have something with wheels in his hand. I don't even try to buy him a treat of anything if it doesn't have wheels on it anymore. Like besides a duck, he does like a good duck. But today I give him a duck in a Jeep. So win-win there. The checkered flags. I think they're gonna work really well, like for a lot of things. And I think I could use them for a lot of things. If I don't do black and white, like they could still be like kind of fun on other pages. So I had to grab that from the room collection from Echo Park. And then this actually really goes well with that book fair collection. But this is Chamel's collection that came out a while ago, but it's called Reasons to Smile. It's a big lot of okay, well, it calls it lightweight papers, so I guess they're like bigger than ephemera bits. This is an interesting packet, but I liked the colors. I liked like the letters and the notebook paper and things like that. My one son was wearing like black and lavender, and the other one was wearing black and like beige or something, so I feel like I could really work these in with that black paper and with their back to school photos, because the ledger and the notebook paper, you know, is kind of like a nod to school supplies. And so it has like these, it says papers, so they're bigger than I kind of expected, but that's okay. They'll be really good for layering, and they're super thin. Oh, I like these. This is an interesting paper repack is what it's called. So interesting. But it does have a ton of dies, but they're like thin. They're like paper. So I would say adulting is hard. I get it. Chamel gets it. Ice cream will make today better. True. I would say that if you're into junk journaling and you don't want it to be like super thick and stuff, if you like collage papers, this is kind of like that. Nope is also a good one for back to school, because no, they were both excited to go. That would be perfect for the photos of welcome. Is that like blank papers? Is that how it's? Oh no, that's not blank. You could use them as journaling, but just layering and stuff. Some have tabs. Oh, this is interesting. Some ice cream cones. I love the rainbow. Oh, there's books in it. Some really big florals. Oh yeah, that's cute. The backpack. I think I probably saw that too and was like, yep, let's grab that. That's a fun little pack of stuff. And it says it has washi stickers too. So I think some of these probably maybe have a backing that'll come off, which again, washi is like paper as well, you know, right? So they're usually really thin. A lot of times washi is a little bit transparent. So these are cute. I like the letters. I like the cursive, but like it's open. I like that. Super cute. Out loud. That one kind of got ripped, but out loud I think is what it's supposed to say. Cute. I like it. So I would assume this is like one of the washi stickers. So yeah, it looks like it has a backing that will come off. That's fun. Those are really cute. Little piece of cake. Doing my best. Oh, I like that. So yeah, you'll probably see me playing with that. Definitely on the upcoming hop that Sarah's going to do for September back to school. Because of course my kids go back to school the beginning of August. And it's so hot. But scoot these over. So this is the thing that I think I'm most excited about, which I feel like, I mean, it's for all the time, but I feel like it has a fall vibe, but it's the it's from Cizzix, and it's Tim Holtz, and he's done these bugs, and so they're the red rubber, so you have all these like insects, but it's like the you know, like when somebody's doing a scientific like pinning up butterflies and moths. It's kind of like, I don't know what you call that. I love it though. There's a word for it, and somebody will know it and they'll put it down below, or it'll come to me. I haven't been thinking of the words lately. But I don't think that I remembered about this. Entomology. Yep, I like it. But the realistic, like, sketchiness of all these different insects, and then the dies. I'm such a sucker for a good die to go with my stamps. It says it works with the stamps, because you got to be careful with that. So I think that might be a cicada over it, or that one. We got them. They're outside screaming. I'm over it. I think they're almost done though. These are interesting, like the colors. I know it's just like a it's just an illustration, but I think it'd be fun to do different things with these. Maybe stamp a color and then stamp black and do a first generation stamp, and then only stamp second generation over it, or maybe even third, and just kind of get them grungy and dingy. Stamp them in a really light gray and then color them with your alcohol marker or something like that. I think it'll be fun. I thought they could be cool and spooky on a Halloween page, but I also think they're being fun for like nature pages. And also it could be really beautiful just on those fall photos mixed with florals, because I don't hate bugs, especially these. I think they're really cool. But anyway, I was excited. I think I'll have a lot of fun playing with that with all my boys and stuff like that. So that is it, my quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to link down below with the products and my affiliate links if you're interested in buying any of these things. It doesn't cost any extra to you. And then let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. Bye, y'all.